Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Hadu arfu prangut ki nongrep ki blade ban register yeladi bar ka KHADC nagabenta ka project ban pynneh pensa ki khlaw ki btap ban sumar sukher yuthu uba punya sings im hadin balawai ka jingilang ya merjingmut ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC haringkat ka jingat trailang bar katnat Meghalaya Basin Development Agency MBDA ka sarkar jilla. Ya kati kamat pynneh pensa mariang halor ke green economy Meghalaya kalong ban plelat iki nongrem ki badai ki nong pynneh mariang ban yok nong haba ki thung ding bat ka sarkar kan siu yaki. Ka jingthmu jung ka green economy Meghalaya ka dei na ka benta ban shimi kilan ban pynneh pensa ki khlaw ki batam ban yo ikal er ka bakhuj basuba bat ban ai jung mentoy na ka benta ki nongrep ki bala ban yadai ka mariang yathu usampat Kumar IAS officer.
There is a, they like to actually see that, like, and which are the areas where there is a lot of effort is being done in terms of the forestry and agroforestry. So that, to bring that connection, we have had now from Netherlands a development bank, Rabobank, their entity called Econ. They have come here, and they essentially they are an agency which actually are bringing these connections from the global carbon market, so essentially, like, who would like to purchase these carbon removal units. Carbon removal unit means, suppose if we have a good forest, so that actually essentially takes away the carbon from the environment, so the carbon removal units would be compensated. So there is a very good this particular Rabobank has come up with an idea that they would like to support essentially the farmers, and also to transfer the benefits to the farmers, like, almost like 80% of the benefits that actually which come through this particular kind of an arrangement will be transferred to the farmers. And the second is that the important thing is that this also actually it's not only the future planting, but also even the planting that has been done in the last 5 years also can be covered. Like, for example, somebody has done plantation work, including some kind of an orange plantation or any other agroforestry plantations in the last 5 years also can be covered. So what we have been doing as a part of this entire work is that we are also have engaging the village community facilitators to go and actually present this idea to the farmers, and also to enroll those farmers who are actually interested in participating in this kind of initiative. It is like you also aware that, like, state government's initiative of payment to ecosystem services, where there is already a large number of farmers, like almost like 50,000 hectares has been covered across the state, where if you don't cut the forest, if you preserve the forest, annually, there is a kind of a
khlaw jongki hima nani ki kikur ki babun kini ki private plantation ki badan te kani ruka kan thup lang te ya kani layas dang mentala kat tu kan nipol kuma phi la tip ni la don ka first meeting hapo district council te office jungi bat mentas ni khot lang ya Jingiarap Hills bat ya Kharu Hills district council te nakida bom la kyar kim dan lang hang ni henry naki hima ki awan bani shimenta mangi kham khot bon ni khot shotang hima melim bat hima khairim kini ki hima ki ba kham he ba po rihasi te kani ka jingya trailang ka jungi kumba phitip kumbala kren benrap dai ba sampat Kumar IS ba yakani jingtmu lai trailang ba kanika development bank bagi ongka Rabobank ringkat ba kanika akon ne aira ka team professional team na po Delhi ya kaban pen urlong ya kanika jingtmu tena kalyang jungi kumka dis council ngi soba kanika deka aka initiative ka ba long dan kambha buat ka balong kongsan hadu kata ta hakanika juk ka bamenta kanika snam kumta kham kerpang ru namar ba ngi pelet jingmut habi deban pendek pensa ka mariang te ka baal kumba phi jutip ka central act jong forest ka don ka state bat ni kan council forest act ni don kini baru ki jing thumu betang ban pendek pensa henry kani ka approach ka bamenta pat kani ka initiative ba thmai menta pat kalong bangin COEA kitu kiba pendek pensa mariang katakan ketika ke ka ba sultanat te mentang ni community baling ba kani ka meeting ka baar ku pengila yo ban long mentak sngi nget scam ngen sa lek ban ye kendu si ki nongrep hi chaka ba pher hang ni pori khasi jantia jungi but garu hills ru khnang ba ki nongrep kin la ban yo jing mentoi na kanika program ka jungi te kata di ka jing tmu jong kanika meeting mentak sngi publish bon oh measurement is there regarding for payment.
So that's where this is a very good thing in the sense like agroforestry actually provides like a multi-cropping. It's not like a broomstick alone cultivation. You're not like that. Essentially, it also encourages farmers to really take up some good agroforestry plantation, which protects the environment. At the same time, they get some revenue from their agroforestry. At the same time, if it is resisted in the carbon, they also get the carbon. It's additional benefit. They'll get it. So this is a good proposition, I would say. Solution for the problem that you mentioned. It will encourage tree planting.
Kini ki forest cover ki bala don lupa, but ban pensilur ye ki brio, what ikitu ki jaka bala bam don diang shu, ki badang don ki jaka ki bahe, bakin sedang ban thung diang, but daka jing yarap daka jing bitin lenti jong kanika tim ke bat main ta.
Serving forests, growing more plants, more trees. I think we should focus on that, and it's a very good thing. Like because as I said, we are, we are that way we are connected to the whole global climate work, climate action. So, and this will actually also help us our more and more effort on